Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, you will learn how many connections we can make at a LinkedIn. And now you can see that the article of LinkedIn related to connection is available. We can only make 30,000 connections. And I just check on a Google and now you can see that we can only make 30,000 first degree connections. And now you can see my profile, and now I have a more than 30,000 follower. Our follower can be in millions, but we can only make connections 30,000. And now you can see that this is my followers, more than 30,000. And if I check my network and my connections, and now you can see that my connection is 21,000. So we can only make 30,000 connections, not more than this, and we can follow unlimited and people can follow us. So hope you understand how many connections we can make at our LinkedIn. So thank you very much for watching this video.